This bank branch in Mumbra is a 4,000 square feet project being executed within 8 weeks timeline. The site was previously a restaurant, now being transformed in a fully functional banking space. We are now in week 5 of our HDFC Bank branch execution project here in Mumbra, Thane. It's a 4,000 square feet space, and while that may sound manageable, this site came with some very specific execution challenges. We are halfway in, and today I will show you what we accomplished so far and how disciplined execution is helping us stay right on track. Dismantling the old setup. This property was earlier a full-fledged restaurant. So before we could even begin the build, we had to clear everything out. The first 2 weeks of our 8-week plan were fully reserved for dismantling. Kitchen structures, elevated flooring, service lines, and even internal drainage. We had to get back to zero to build up the branch from scratch. Low height and inverted beams, one of the biggest design challenges. Low ceiling height combined with inverted beams across both levels. Now for a bank, visibility and clean layouts are non-negotiable. With these beams made it tough, electrical and HVAC services can't cut through beams. So we had to layer everything above and around them without making the ceiling look messy. What you see here is a smartly coordinated service layout designed to hide complexity and showcase only clarity. Challenge 2, rear zone leveling. At the back of the site, we had another challenge. The old kitchen zone was built nearly 1 foot above floor level with a drainage grid underneath. We had to level this area down to match the rest of the floor, and we have already completed that within schedule. No shortcuts, no compromise. Space optimization in a narrow layout. This site is long and rectangular with limited width for passages. That's a serious constraint for a high footfall area like a bank. We have had to plan every corridor, doorway, and services access with surgical precision to maintain flow without cluttering the experience. This is where thoughtful space planning meets smart execution. Scene 6. What's done so far? At week 5, here is what we have achieved. Dismantling and site leveling completed. Service layouts for electrical and HVAC underway. Ceiling and partition framework in active progress. Rear zone fully aligned to new levels. Corridor zoning completed. We're exactly where we need to be and aligned for 8-week closure. Closing from the site. Every project comes with its own set of constraints, but execution is about solving without stalling. From dismantling a restaurant to turning this into a future-ready bank branch, this project reflects how AK Interiors approaches complexity with clarity, coordination, and control. We have got 3 weeks left and we are ready to finish strong. Stay tuned with AK Interiors to see this facility fully transformed into an operational branch in our upcoming video.